DOOTEC DT-350 excavator has strong power of 194 kilowatts with Cummins Euro 3 engine. DOOTEC DH series same cabin design. DX newly designed cabin is optional for wider operation space. Kawasaki designed hydraulic pump ensure the big hydraulic force for working for mine digging works. The hydraulic swing motor is imported from Korea or DOOTEC authorized manufacturer in China. Genuine hydraulic system ensure flexible movement and quality stability. DT-350 is your good helper for big digging works in world's mining areas, faster working capacity, and getting good investment profit.